Hello, welcome, what's up guys, I am Mariovit, and in this tutorial I will show you where to find lint in this game. So before we start, you may leave like, subscribe, share to others, write a comment and enjoy my gameplay. So location of the lint is here, look, here, near to grill. There is a grill, so you must just climb here. And here you have lint, but also a lot of enemies. Oh my goodness, so many. Okay.
Everything looks good from here.
Wait a moment, I must kill them all. Boom. Okay, nice. So, look, I want to drop. Okay, just eat this.
Worse than my mom's Brussels sprouts.
Okay. Boom. So it is lint. Look, it's lint. You need axe or third level, and here you can collect maximum 20 lint. It respawn after a few days, so you can collect lint from this place forever, just forever. Okay, wow, okay, 70. Oh, even more lint. 22, 27. Okay, and if you want to do something from this, you must put it to spinning well, and you have a lint rope. Okay, so that's all in this video. I hope that it helped you. You may leave like, subscribe, share to others, write a comment. See you next time. Bye bye.